Caleb, hold on. Hold on. I got an idea. Hold on. We'll get to that one. Hold on. You know what? Since Caleb kind of put me on the spot, made me lay down also, I don't like that because he hasn't done that stunt very many times. I think it's only fair that I jump over Caleb. No. You've already seen that one. How about we put, what? You guys want to see Caleb on the ring? Alright. Stand up! There we go. You guys gotta tell him, not me. I don't know. There you go, really high, that's good. Perfect. Alright, you guys want to see Caleb on his feet? Oh god, I'd be so scared. So let's get to the punishment going. You guys want to see a few more tricks out here today? Alright, what do you want to see? What do you want to see? You want to see a big one-handed? Or you want to see a big hunter? You want to see somebody go upside down here today? You know what? I'll tell you what. If you guys make the most noise you've made all day long.